Hey, what's going on, everyone? Just giving you another update of the van. So as you see, I got some foam mattresses put in. I ordered this bed off Amazon and I cut it. The rest of it, the other cushion isn't in here yet. It's still in my basement, but that'll go up here just like this one. You see, I also blacked out the windows with some black foam board from a local craft store. See, there's no light getting through there. So since the last time I took that thick rope light out, I'm just gonna do some stuff like this throughout the van. Maybe get a cargo net or something so I could store some stuff above head. And I got this I got this Goal Zero lantern, which I think is really cool. It says it lasts about 48 hours on the lowest setting and 3 hours on the highest setting, because these lights seem to really drain my battery. I don't know why. I have a 155 amp hour battery. It seems to go through pretty quick with these lights. So I added some storage for where I'll be having my kitchen area. Now, for anyone that's interested, in my previous setup I had a smaller wire. See, I replaced them with nice thick wires. Those are 12 gauge, and they just come down through here. I added a 50 amp fuse to my fuse box, and let's see what else is different. I don't think you guys saw the white wood that I added, or I painted it, but I don't think you guys saw the wood on the bed frames. I got my carbon monoxide detector and my smoke alarm. And that's pretty much because I'll be using a Mr. Buddy, and also I'll be using this in here from time to time. Now up front, see, up front is a Fester right now. And I'm adding these LED lights because my van did not come with lights. It's a 78, did not really have any lights on the inside. And it's dark when I'm driving at night. So I got these ones down here, this one, and there's gonna be another one right here. They change colors if I want to. They go to the music, so that's gonna be pretty cool. I'm running those wires from this custom cup holder that I told you guys I was making to replace my stock cup holder in center console area, which is right here. So I got the little switch panel that I put in there, and that's going to power some LEDs for the outside of the van, my backup lights, as well as the interior lights. This is something that I'll be adding in. This is going to allow me to charge my battery from my alternator, as well as add an interior. So everything that gets powered off of those switches is going to go to a fuse box, and that fuse box is going to go to this common. So then I have the option to run it from my starter battery, run those accessories from my solar battery, or to tie it all together and add it to my alternator, or whatever you want to say. I think that's pretty much it for now. You see, I cannot get that strip of LED tape lighting to stay up. I might just take it down, or I might have to figure out another way to get it taped up. basically this is just like an extra seat or an extra bed. It can really be used either way. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much it for now, and I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching the video, and subscribe. Throw any comments at me down below.